Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. Imagine a Python library that can read files, clean messy data, analyze information, create reports and save everything back in just a few lines of code. Sounds impossible, right? But meet Pandas, the library that almost every analyst, data scientist and Python developer uses daily. Let's explore some amazing Pandas tricks that make it feel like this one library can do everything. So let's start this. So the first one is create a table in seconds. So firstly we'll import the library and now we'll create the data frame. So here we have created for name and similarly we'll create for marks as well. So here we have created for marks as well and now we'll print the data frame. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output that how we created a table in seconds. So this creates structured data instantly, no database is required and perfect for storing records. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is find average in one line. So if we need to find the average of marks, we can find the mean in just writing one line of code. So let's see the output of this. So here this calculates average instantly where no loop is required. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is filter smartly. So if you want to filter something, you can use just one line of code and you can filter things in this. This extracts only required data which is similar to SQL filtering. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next thing. So the next thing is sort data instantly. So here this is useful for ranking and one-line sorting. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see a very clean and clear output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is add a new column. So using pandas we can also add the new columns and then we can print the data frame. So this creates new information from existing data and helpful in reports and creating dashboards. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is handle missing data. So here it replaces missing values with 0. This cleans messy data sets and common in real world tasks. Let's see the output. So Pandas isn't just a library, it's a complete toolkit for working with data, from reading files to cleaning, analyzing, filtering and exporting information. It handles tasks that would normally require dozens lines of code. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials and thanks for watching today's video.